singing our favorite song. When a man in red said, hey boy, come along. Well, I'll give you what you need for the price of a soul. He didn't know you want to talk to Mr. Soul. God turned his head the other way inside. Cause I'm a late night rock and roll, I gotta find me a little lover with a big guitar and a bigger voice, and I'm singing this song for you, for you. Whoa, whoa. Well, keeping out of my fight, jumping and driving around. Well, making our name with the most class in this town. And so if the devil wants to sing with me, he's got to learn he got enough soul to dance for three. And I'm a stronger man than he demon child. Cause I'm a late night rock and roll, I gotta find me a little lover with a big guitar and a bigger voice, and I'm singing this song for you, for you. Whoa, whoa. Song. Sit on a rough and in a good how what you want. And so give me a girl, won't leave me alone, and I'll give you a gas to drive you home. Remember our name, come go to say Rocky Road. Well, I'm a late night rockin', but I gotta find me a little loafin' with a big guitar. And I got a bigger voice for you, honey, and I'm singing this song for you, for you, for you.
There's only one music I'm playing now these days. They got a little bit of country and a little bit of rhythm and blues. I want you come along, baby, and help me spread the news. Now I'm a rockabilly rebel, baby, love more rockabilly. I'm a rockabilly rebel, baby, love more rockabilly queen. I want you come on, baby, for the rockin'est time you ever seen. Rock out, boy. That rockabilly music gonna make you wanna dance. Rockabilly music gonna make you wanna find romance. It got a little bit of country and just a touch of soul. Yeah, the boogie woogie beat me called it rock and roll. Well, I'm a rockabilly rebel, baby, looking for rockabilly. Well, I'm a rockabilly rebel, baby, looking for rockabilly queen. I want you come along, baby, for the rockin'est time you ever seen. I'm a rockabilly rebel, rockabilly rebel. 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 I'm a rockabilly rebel, baby, looking for a rockabilly queen. Oh, I'm a rockabilly rebel, rockabilly rebel. 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 I'm a rockabilly rebel, baby, looking for a rockabilly queen. Well, I'm a rockabilly rebel, baby, looking for a rockabilly queen.
This goes out to our pal in the Netherlands, Rockin' Henry Smeets. Yeah, boys. Woohoo!
All in your white Cadillac with a cutie on the side. I said that's a dear time, and so did the girl. Well, and the caddy left me wishing that you both were my own. I ran away with that car, and she looked like so. And so we yelled Cadillac, bring me my baby back. Cadillac, 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 get on my track. Bring it back to me. Please hear my pleas. It was a hot summer day. I said I strolled down the lane. I saw you standing there. Then it drove me insane. All in your white Cadillac with a cutie on set. Well, sun did shine. Then so did the girl. Well, then the caddy left me wishing that you both were my own. I ran away with that car, and she looked like so. And so young Cadillac, bring me my baby back. Cadillac, 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 get on my track. Bring it back to me. Please hear my pleas. Wow! You got that cutie on the side. So yes, Cadillac, bring me my baby back. Cadillac, 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 get on my track. Bring it back to me. Oh, please hear my pleas. Got my head greased back, got my car all shine. Going out night, gonna have a good time. Gonna bop till we drop. We're gonna bop till we drop. We're gonna bop till we drop, get up, start over again. I love me, baby, know that's true. You know that, girl, I love you too. Gonna bop till we drop. We're gonna bop till we drop. We're gonna bop till we drop, get up, start over again. I'll rock out, boys. Two friends, we should know. We're going out tonight, gonna rock and roll. We're gonna bop till we drop. We're gonna bop till we drop. We're gonna bop till we drop, get up, start over again. We're gonna bop till we drop. 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 We're gonna bop till we drop, get up, start over again. We're gonna bop till we drop, get up, start over again. We're gonna bop till we drop, get up, start over again.
We're walking down the back streets, wishing I know that love for the sweet little woman at home. Got the reputation of being caught bad, even God don't know, even we are black. And I'm ready to go, go. Said I'm walking the base back home. Now Tony's got the high legs and you've got the pros. Level 3 black cats straight away for the show, for the show. Well, look around the black sheep living in the slums is a long way to hell, but even closer to hell. Deeply medicated, I'm high, intoxicated, I don't even know, be alive for the show. And I'm ready to go, go. weeping willow how to cry. And I showed the clouds how to cover up a clear blue sky. The tears I cry for that woman are gonna flood you, big river, and I'm gonna sit right here until I die. Well, I met her accidentally in St. Paul, Minnesota, and it told me up every time I heard her drawl, southern drawl. Then I heard my dream, went back downstream, cavorting in Davenport, and I followed you, big river, when he called. They gave him his orders at Monroe, Virginia. Said Steve,
"Yo, Whitey, high tide!"
This is not 38, this is old 97. Put her into Spencer on time. Then he turned around and said to his black greasy fireman, "Shovel on a little more coal." And when we cross that White Oak Mountain, watch old 97 roll. Here we go, boys. And then a telegram come from Washington Station. This is how it read.
What'd it say?
Oh, that brave engineer that drove old 97 is lying in old Danville dead. 'Cause he was going down the grade, making 90 miles an hour. The whistle broke into a scream. He was found near the wreck with his hand up on that throttle. It's called into death by the seam. One more time. Now all you ladies, you best take my warning from this time on and learn. Never speak harsh words to your true loving husband. May leave you and never return. Poor boy, go! Stop all the crying. The day that you left me said heaven oppressed me and gave me an ultimatum. Well, I need you to find out. No, you must take out of the special place that I hold in my brain. I can't take the road back home. I said I can't take the road back home. Home, 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 home. Well, there's only one thing to make a screaming child. There's only one thing to make a cherry pop. It's a Phat Cat Boogie and it's time to shuffle down. Well, shake it till you can't take your legs no more, and then you shake it till your ball back to the floor. And it's a Phat Cat Boogie and it's time to shuffle down. Taught me how it is not a sin to sway to the rhythm you find that's within and scream rebellion to a girl's heart. Oh man, all that sympathy, empathy, crying she gives us. Remember the place in your heart that'll win. Just remember this call. I said now just remember this. Go, 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 go. Well, there's only one thing to make a screaming shout. I said there's only one thing to make a cherry pop. It's a Phat Cat Boogie and it's time to shuffle down. Well, take it till you can't take your leg no more, and then you shake it till you fall back to the floor. And it's a Phat Cat Boogie and it's time to shuffle down.
myself and a guitar in my hand. Ran up to go play a show with my rockabilly band. Spending every day strumming these six strings. Love the beat, satisfaction, living out a rockabilly dream. We're going to the dive bar, gonna get lit up. Spending my days strumming and humming out a way to live our lives.
And we're drinking and screaming to the man about how we lose all place in line.
Look into my boys and just tell me what comes next.
Said I spit in the face of any man who calls me second best. Well, I need a girl who won't leave me alone. I said I need a girl to drive me home. You loved more about an hour ago. Well, I had to go and drink 10 drinks in a row.
We're going to the dive bar, gonna get lit up. Spending my days strumming and humming out a way to live our lives.
And we're drinking and screaming to the man about how we lose all place in line.
Look into my boys and just tell me what comes next.
Then I'll spit in the face of any man who calls me second best. I'm not second best.
I've been sitting here, stuck to this old bar stool, just drinking about the way I played the fool. Well, it's an hour since you left me, but only now it's plain to see. You turn my heaven into hell one more time for me. Well, you know I saw it coming when I found that you've been running round and round with every man in this town. But you know that I was blind. No, I did not want to see. You turn my heaven into hell one more time for me. You turned my heaven into hell when you said goodbye, farewell. Even though you said you'd love me till the end of time. When my time is ended, it's not paradise I find. Instead, I'll find my heaven turned to hell one more time. I got a woman mean as she can be. I got a woman mean as she can be. Sometimes I think she's almost mean to me. She got a ruby lips, she got a shake lips. Man, she really man do those lips. Well, I got a woman mean as she can be. Sometimes I think she's almost mean to me. Tony!
Your gal ain't doodly swat. My gal is red hot. Your gal ain't doodly swat.
Well, she ain't got no money, but man, she really got life. She's the kind of woman that you know I like. Not a wishy-washy woman, change your mind every night. Well,
your gal ain't doodly swat.
well, my gal is red hot.
Your gal ain't doodly swat.
Well, she ain't got no more of a man, he really got a lot. Rock out, boy! I got a woman mean as she can be. I got a woman mean as she can be. Sometimes I think she's almost mean to me. She got a ruby lip, she got a shake lip. Man, really man do those lips. Well, I got a woman mean as she can be. Sometimes I think she's almost mean to me. I got a woman. 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 I got a woman mean as she can be. I got a woman mean as she can be. I got a woman mean as she can be.
Well, putting down the highway at 123, I've been running from you and away from me. I got time by my side in a trippy bus, watch up the ride in a blinking fast. That's the only place I've left to go. Whoa! Grab your girl, take a time on the road, and today all friends, baby, got to know. Gonna go down to the rumble tonight, sure to bring Dick and the dirty by. That's the only place I've left to go. They're going down to hell tonight, baby. And I'm dreaming at the thought of taking you with me. Now I think God's ready for me to scream and burn. Scream and burn. But I'm screaming down here so you can get a hold of me. Well, Tennessee Fort runs through my veins. The sailor sweat sinks up for fear and shame. Only one change to relieve the pain. I can feel the evil in my brain. Hell's the only place I've left to go. Said I'm going down to hell tonight, baby. And I'm dreaming at the dawn of taking you with me. Well, thank God for me to scream and burn. Scream and burn. But I'm screaming down here so you can get a hold of me. Said we're going down to hell tonight, baby. And I'm dreaming at the dawn of taking you with me. Well, thank God for me to scream and burn. Scream and burn. I'm screaming down here so you can get a hold of me. Oh, man.
Well, I'm on the run, yeah, I'm on the lam. Said every town I hit don't like this gambling man. Well, I'm dead in El Paso, I got 10 more miles to go. I killed a man who sent me on this lonesome road. Don't tell your friends about me. I don't need the public fame. Don't need to kill a man who's gonna
die in vain. Cause I'm drunk to the Mason Dixie line. By the way, I'm a smoking gun. Said only God knows I'll cross the line as a broken man on run. Cause I'm drunk to the Mason Dixie line. By the way, I'm a smoking gun. Said only God knows I'll cross the line. Broken man on run, run, run.
Don't tell your friends about me. I don't need the public fame. Don't need to kill a man who's gonna die in vain. Mama, don't worry about me, cause I'm coming home real soon. But even if it's in a box, well, I love you. Well, I'm on the run. Yeah, I'm on the lam. Said every town I hit goes like this.
Gambling man, cause I'm drunk to the Mason Dixie line. By the way, I'm a smoking gun. I said only God knows I'll cross the line as a broken man I'll run. Cause I'm drunk to the Mason Dixie line. By the way, I'm a smoking gun. Said only God knows I'll cross the line as a broken man on run, run, run.
Said every town I hit don't like this gambling man. I'm dead in El Paso, got 10 more miles to go. I killed a man who sent me on this lonesome road. Mama, don't worry about me, I'm coming home real soon. Said even if it's in a box, well,
I love you cause I'm drunk to the Mason Dixie line. By the way, I'm a smoking gun. Said only God knows I'll cross the line as a broken man on run. So I'm drunk to the Mason Dixie line. By the way, I'm a smoking gun. Only God knows I'll cross the line as a broken man on run, run, run. String singing, rockabilly singing, cruising with the guitar, baby. We can go, oh, pretty baby, why can't you see? When in this world you need someone, well, come on, pretty baby, you're the one for me. Oh, you're my kitten, I'm your cat. Baby, we can go far, never come back, say it all, pretty baby, just you and me. Like Bonnie and Clyde back 53. Well, come on, pretty baby, you're the one for me. Wow! Oh, now don't stop, give me the angel lines. Well, I'm a rough cat, but still in my mind. Come on, pretty baby, it's love in the run, and it's love like a smoking gun. Go, pretty baby, shake it loose. Get on the dance floor with the dancing juice. And oh, pretty baby, why can't you see? Well, until I die, I'm along for the ride. With you by my side, never 59. With you next to me, I got you. So come on, pretty baby, let's shake it loose. and we're sipping the finest whiskey. Well, it's old number 7 and we're blasting Bobby. Well, it didn't take long till the siren started to scream. Well, I could have pulled over more. What a square tail this would be. I opened all 3 cars and I left that Mercury breathe. Well, I cruising in a stolen milk and blasting on the radio. Well, I'm cruising in a stolen milk and blasting on the radio. Oh, I'll be a little guy with see my fire rear window. Well, the moral of the story rings true. All you hoods, this could happen to you. Well, if you steal a car, I know you'll drive fast. But just make sure that tank is full of gas. 1, 2, 3, 4, hole in a house, it is stolen Mercury. Silver hole in a house, it is stolen Mercury. And we're drunk off our ass on old number 7 whiskey. Wow! Well, as time travels by, I sit in my room and I wonder why things have to change. Well, it's been such a long time and I don't know why you're playing all these games with my heart. And I don't know if I'll see you again, girl. But I won't have to find things to say to you. 'Cause I thought you were sent from heaven to my heart. But you put me through 9 gates of hell. And now, as I sit here alone tonight, all the whiskey can't help me in this fight for my life. Well, other girls who look over my way can't get over this pain on my sleeve. And the only thing I think could be worse now is the smile that you have there, my face. Well, I thought you were sent from heaven to my heart, but you put me through 9 gates of hell. And now, as I sit here alone tonight, all the whiskey can't help me in this fight for my life. sit here alone tonight. All the whiskey can't help me in this fight for my life. Well, I pull that knife right from my bag, close my eyes and clean the pain of my blood is spilled on for your love. Love I pay is the only game. Look me now right in the eyes and then head back and run for yourself. Well, that you hate to see this smile on my face. Oh. Whoa. And don't leave me here without a word while the tears run down my face. Just pretend that you still love me even for a day, and don't leave me here without a word. Well, you know the rope of morning stars and you said take for my little girl. Tell me that you hate to see this smile on my face. Look me now right in the eyes and take back everything you said. Tell me that you hate to see this smile on my face. Whoa. Don't leave me here without a word while the tears roll down my face. Just pretend that you still love me even for a day, and don't leave me here without a word. Oh.
Baby girl, you've been mine since day one. Just couldn't define the feelings we both had. Felt confined, but divine intervention helped us both leave the past. Never tried to change you, you loved how you are. In fact, never change and we'll never part. How's that for love in a few words? I put a spell on you, girl, but honestly you got me under yours first. The way you were placed in my world, I knew if you was ever taken out I couldn't bear the hurt. My everything is you, you are my all. I'll be there to catch you, so catch me if I ever fall. From summer past fall in the winter, you're on my mind. Got me sprung, love struck till I'm sick. And your kiss is a remedy to feel better quick. So quit playing games, babe, and next to me lay. Stay a little while, but first I'ma put another spell on you and watch it work all day.
And I don't know if I'll see you again, girl, but I won't have to find things to say to you, 'cause I thought you were sent from heaven to my heart, but you put me through 9 gates of hell. And now, as I sit here alone tonight, all the whiskey can't help me in this fight for my life. Well, other girls Well, I thought you were sent from heaven to my heart, but you put me through 9 gates of hell. And now, as I sit here alone tonight, all the whiskey can't help me in this fight for my life. I sit here alone tonight, all the whiskey can't help me in this fight for my life.
You were my glimpse of heaven in this hell that I'm living in. Thought I had been witnessing an angel in the midst of sin. I let you in, then you turned my love away. Left my vision of this world the shade blue-gray. No longer putting my pride at stake, babe, I refuse to wait. How much can I take? Doesn't matter when it's fake. My glimpse of heaven turned 57 heartbreak.